now, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today's going to be another day in the life vlog. Partially cloudy, so we're going to go get a walk in now. I think it's like 9 o'clock. So, you want to go for a walk?
I think I might be going crazy. 'Cause all I really want is to be with you. And I'm saying we're just friends, but thinking you're my man. And baby, if you knew, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, dreaming of your kisses.
Sophie. Is that an alpaca? We're just learning about farm animals.
Oh no, I don't wanna be the one with answers, because I sure don't wanna know which girl you choose. And no, the thought of her being a private dancer, it's just a little too much for me to chew. But I'm like, I say that I'm alright, but cry on the inside. I wish you were my man. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine.
Anyway, we're back from our walk now. It was pretty cool to see that alpaca. Sophie loved that. But I figured today I'd just do a home vlog. These are my favorite kind of vlogs to watch and clearly to make. So I need to get some organizing done. That's probably going to be first on my agenda. I'm going to go play with Sophie for a little bit. And then, yeah, I need to organize her next size of clothes. She just moved into size 1. And all the size 2s are just in a giant pile because I've cleaned them and now they need to be sorted. The area that they're in, which is just our junk room, I'd like to clear out for other junk. So I realized halfway through that they're not size 2, they're actually all size 1. Sophie has been quite small the whole time. She was born small, like she's been at the same 15th percentile the whole time, but she's tiny. So I have no size 2, which means I'm gonna have to go shopping. I've never actually gone baby shopping for clothes before. All the clothes that you see that Sophie's worn, 99% of them were hand-me-downs from friends that have girls. So I've been watching Beauty and the Beastons here on YouTube. She's doing her Christmas decorate with me. Speaking of, I actually want to go get Sophie a couple of books and I might make them Christmas themed ones. Just the last few days, Sophie hasn't really been that interested in her books. So let's get ready for the day and go get some books. What are you doing in there?
as well.
Dog.
The little blue gray piece is from TK Maxx last year. I actually have a pen in my office, but Chris had the great idea to use it in the bathroom, I think.
Last year I thought about how things can go.
I really need to clean my car. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the DVD player has been installed. And it's working, so whatever's gonna work, hey?
There's always a way, and oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say, and I claim the Christmas is.
Okay, we're back from Kmart. I've just put Sophie down for a nap, so I'm not going to talk too loud. I got 3 things from Kmart. One I needed, one I went for, and something I didn't need. This is what we didn't need. Isn't that the cutest little bath toy for her and spins? She really wanted that. The thing I wanted, well, needed, was a stand. Last night I filmed a clean with me video and that'll already be up by the time this one's up, so go check it out. I'll link it in the description box below. But I had a lot of trouble with setting the camera up, so 19 bucks. Pretty stoked on that. And then this book. This is the book I got Sophie. She loves like feel books, and then this one's like also kind of like a pop-up flat book as well. You can, all different types of textures. These, yeah, are her favorite kinds of books, the ones that you can feel. So Christmas, that's cute. So the to-do list while Sophie's asleep. I need to record a voiceover for one of my videos. I need to pick up the house a little bit and maybe get a sneaky little nap in. Just quickly, I thought I'd update you on the whole Sophie sleeping situation. It's actually going really well. So it's a week today that we've been doing it. And if you're not up to date with what I'm talking about, basically I'm just cutting out night feeds. I'm happy to put my daughter to sleep with breastfeeding, but when she wakes in the middle of the night, I need to start soothing her and getting her to soothe herself back to sleep. And yeah, it's been going really well. The first few nights were really emotional for me because she gets really upset while it's happening. While I'm just trying to comfort her and while I'm trying to lay her back down, she does get really upset. But we've had 2 nights where she slept through the night, including last night, which was amazing. And then all the other naps are just getting better and better as we go along. As I said earlier with the car, she's crying a little bit less because I put the DVD player in there. We went for a walk this morning. She stayed in her pram the whole time. Just me giving myself a pat on the back, just, you know, really modest about it.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be.
Aha! Let me fix it. So Sophie's awake now. She's going to watch a couple Wiggles songs. And then I'm going to make her some afternoon tea and... Oh, hi! Did you have a good nap? It was a good nap. 2 hours. Yeah, watch some Wiggles and then go outside and play? Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I tried, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. Dive into you. Dive into you. Dive into you. Dive into you.
Dad.
Hey. Hi, gorgeous.
There was nothing on it. Good job for using it. Use your spoon.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna.
So I've just finished getting dinner ready. That's the veggie bake, zucchini, tomato, spring onion, and cheese, beef strog, and garlic rice. Okay, so we're gonna have dinner now, but I figured since Sophie's gonna do her night routine anyway, I may as well film it and show you guys what we do. So it's after dinner now. Sophie's having a bit of a play as she usually does, and I pick up her room and get out her pajamas. It's a hot day today, so she's gonna have a thin sleep sack, but she always sleeps in a sleep sack because I'm paranoid about blankets. the two products. We always put this lotion on, the bedtime lotion. It really doesn't matter what lotion as long as it's the same smell every night. Reminds her of bed. And then pseudo-cream. Am I pronouncing that right? I don't know. Pseudo-cream. For a little bum. Now for this part of the evening, we generally go watch a couple songs of Wiggles and brush her teeth. It's how I get her to brush her teeth, is the Wiggles. I spoke too soon. She's taken the toothbrush. That last bit wasn't recording, but I just picked up a few things around the house while Dylan has Sophie while she's watching Wiggles and brushing her teeth. I wiped down her high chair, I put a few of her things away and emptied the bath out. It's only 6:15. I think I might be cutting it a little bit fine. Usually she's down in probably about half an hour from now, but we'll give it a go.
Is our love strong, just like a love song? Baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars to the floor. Now put your loving on me. Eh, loving on me. Maybe
Okay, Google. Play Lose You to Love Me 10-hour loop.
pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too.